Introducing the newest member of the JLCooper SloMo Elite series, the JLCooper SloMo Elite C with electromagnetic jog shuttle wheel. This compact controller allows your application to define how the jog shuttle wheel interacts with the user. In the free spinning jog mode, the wheel can be turned to the right or left to quickly scroll through a video timeline or playlist. In the auto-locking jog mode, the wheel can also be turned to the right or left, but with the added benefit of automatically locking the wheel after a period of inactivity. This prevents accidental wheel movement. The wheel will automatically unlock for the user. In the lock mode, the wheel is manually locked to prevent the user from operating the wheel at all. You might want to use this to indicate that the jog or shuttle mode is not available. In the shuttle emulation mode, the wheel emulates a traditional shuttle mechanism with a center detent and multiple spring-loaded end stops. The center detent and end stops can be fine-tuned from your application.